Overdrive, Stranded, The Prophecy, Troq, Birthmark, Cyborg the Barbarian, Titans East 2, Titans East 1, Haunted, Bunny, Raven, or Hound to make a Titananimal disappear. Can I keep him? The Beast Within, Wavelength, Revolution, Spellbound, Crash, Betrothed, Deception, Aftershock 2, Aftershock 1, Fractured, Betrayal, Titan Rising, Transformation, Date with Destiny, Fear itself, Only Human, Terra, Every dog has his day, Apprentice 1, Apprentice 2, Car Trouble, Mad Mod, Masks, Deep 6, Switched, Nevermore, the sum of his parts, Forces of nature, Final exam, Divide and conquer, How long is forever?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.